Welcome to Eye on Thai Eco Series. This is a video series we look into the ecological innovations of how some Thai brands are creating their eco brands through social and environmentally friendly solutions. Several generations ago, it seemed as though we had unlimited resources at our disposal. The world was brimming with untapped potentials, and we assumed that things like gas, oil, and even coal were infinite. Now, we're starting to see just how wrong we were. Our constant use of the planet's resources has meant that we've been left struggling to fight against issues like non-biodegradable wastes, global warming, and carbon emissions. These problems are now becoming more and more important to address before it becomes too late to save our planet. The good news is, today's consumers are becoming more aware and care more about where their products are coming from. With their greater awareness of environmental causes, they are also looking for brands that are socially responsible and environmentally friendly. According to Global Web Index, a whopping 61% of consumers say they're likely to switch to a brand that is more environmentally friendly than their current brand. An equally impressive 2 in 3 consumers think brands that make a public promise to be sustainable are more trustworthy. In today's marketplace, trustworthiness is a key factor for long-term growth. In this video series, we will explore with a group of Thai eco-friendly brands in which those companies had recognized some of the biggest threats facing our planet and came up with unique ways of overcoming those issues. Many of these Thai eco-friendly brands are investing in initiatives that change the way they operate on a fundamental level. In this series, we look at Thai eco brands into developing sustainable or biodegradable food packaging made from agricultural waste like Rabbit Go Green, Bioform, and Chan Sugarcane. We also have Thai eco brands that aim to have zero waste from their manufacturing processes, like Disawat, Carpenter, and DST Woods. With fast fashion, we also see many waste fabrics that are being disposed in landfills or burnt. We will be looking to several Thai eco brands that tackles the fashion industry waste materials and using green approach in making organic quality fabric like Green Care, Circular, Pasaya, and Mama Well. There are also Thai eco brands that uses waste materials or sustainable resources to create unique products like Morning, Natural Flower Products, High Florence, and 103 Paper Shop. And in our last video series, we look at other Thai eco brands that made at the core of their brands in creating products that do not pollute and better for the environment, like Sati, Napier, Higgs, and Clampett. Join us on our journey as we explore with Thai eco brands on how their brands help in keeping our earth green. Join us on our first chapter in this series where we meet with Thai eco brands in the food packaging industry.